Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Accord alternator. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Next, gather all your necessary tools, including a ratchet, various sockets, and a serpentine belt tool. It's also crucial to ensure your engine is completely cool before you start any work to prevent burns. Taking these initial steps will make the process much smoother and safer for you. Now let's get that old alternator out. Begin by loosening the serpentine belt tensioner and carefully removing the drive belt from the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect all the electrical connectors attached to the alternator, paying attention to their positions. Finally, remove the mounting bolts and carefully maneuver the old alternator out of the engine bay. It might be a tight fit, so take your time. With the old one out, it's time for the new alternator. Carefully position the new unit into place and secure it with the mounting bolts, tightening them appropriately. Reconnect all the electrical connectors, making sure they are firmly seated. Finally, reinstall the serpentine belt, ensuring it's properly routed and has the correct tension. Double-check everything before moving on. You're almost done. Reconnect the negative battery terminal securely. Now start your engine and observe the dashboard for any warning lights, especially the battery light. Use a multimeter to confirm the new alternator is charging your battery at around 13.5 to 14.5 volts. If everything looks good, you've successfully replaced your alternator. Also, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.